It's finally here. The night before your IIT JAM economics examination. I know this moment can feel overwhelming. The pressure, the thoughts, everything racing in your mind, the last minute doubts. But trust me, tonight is not the time to panic. It's the time to prepare yourself mentally and physically for your big day tomorrow. So, before you sleep, here are a few things you must do to wake up fresh, focused, and confident for tomorrow. Number one, pack your exam essentials right now. Before anything else, make sure you have everything packed for tomorrow. Don't leave it for the morning. Okay. Number one, your admit card. Print multiple copies, not just one. Number two, valid ID proof, Aadhaar, PAN card, whatever is required, please get the original and as well as the photocopy. Pen and stationery, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, calculator, everything has to be absolutely ready in your bag. Number four, water bottle, at least two liter water bottles. Okay, two one a liter. So total 2 liter water bottle. Your exam center details, check the location, reach there on time, at least reach there by 1:30 to 1:45. Plan it in that way. Keep things in one place so that you don't have to rush in the morning. Okay, extremely important, please stay hydrated. Your brain needs water to function at its best. Dehydration can make you feel tired and foggy. So drink enough water today also and tomorrow. But obviously not too much before going back to bed. Okay? Or you will have to wake up in the middle of the night. Get proper sleep. At least 7 hours of sleep has to be done today. You may feel tempted to stay up late and study, but don't. Your brain needs rest to perform at its best. A tired mind will struggle in the examination no matter how much you have studied. So set your alarm, keep your exam essentials absolutely ready, and sleep on time. Now, do these things before sleeping, and obviously, you'll wake up feeling fresh and confident. Good luck, stay calm, and stay focused. Have an amazing IIT Jam.